Well, you've probably heard of physical therapy, maybe behavioral therapy. How about pet therapy?
Yeah, new this morning. Aaron Fields is with us to tell us about a special type of therapy that's helping hospital patients in a lot of ways. Good morning, Aaron.
Good morning, Tim and Alicia. This is exactly the type of therapy I think I need before that winter blues starts kicking in. Yes.
Yeah.
But pet therapy has been scientifically linked to reduce blood pressure, anxiety, depression, and it can even overall lower your physical pain. Unfortunately, patients aren't allowed to bring in their own pets, but that's where Max and Mary come in. This dynamic duo has been an inseparable team for almost 3.5 years now and have zeroed in on one shared goal.
To brighten someone's day. Because who wouldn't be excited to see a four-legged friend come in for a visit?
You'll find them both throughout the halls of CHI St. Alexius Hospital, putting smiles on everyone's faces. And when people are having some of their worst days, that's when they really jump into action.
6 months ago or so, we actually went into a room down on our oncology department, and a patient had just received some not so good news, and it really helped the patient. He was really missing his own dog, but just kind of hearing some bad news, he just like grabbed onto Max and held on to him and said this was the best thing he could have provided.
Juliana Zimmerman is just one of the many patients Max has been able to reach. She recently underwent a 5-level back surgery and says Max has brought back the joy she once had with her dog.
When I'd be really hurting, she'd come and she'd lay on my lap, and I'd pet her, and you kind of forgot that she had that pain. I think that's the same way with Max here. If he comes and you pet him, and you kind of forget that pain you got.
Because of wonder dogs like Max, Dunn says that people have even been able to reduce some of their pain medication. So if you haven't tried pet therapy, its effects may just surprise you.
Kind of takes a person's breath away unless you've actually experienced it or seen pet therapy firsthand, or just even see the interaction people have with the dog and how it brings them happiness. They could be at the lowest part of their day. You knock on the door. Would you like a furry friend to come in for a little pet visit, and they just light up. They just say, this is the best part of my day. And that really is the wow moment.
So if you or someone you know are having one rough day, Mary and Max are sure to make your hospital stay a doggone better one.
Because dogs, they love you unconditionally. They don't care what kind of day you're having. They're just excited to be with you, to see you, to spend time with you. I think he gets just as much out of pet therapy as he gives.
I think dogs are the thing we need in the hospitals.
I asked Mary and Max how many patients they've been able to help, and they said it's too many to count on their paws, but they did say pet therapy is just as useful for the patient as it is for the staff. So this is what I'm thinking, Tim and Alicia. I think I'm going to just get a dog, maybe from Furry Friends, bring him to the station. They can make us more cheerful. We won't have to tell Tia or Tammy before we get it.
There's lots of room underneath the desk. I mean, Ayla's hidden under
we
here
can hide
before,
it somewhere, and then it can just be our pet therapy dog.
Know that we're on television right now, right?
Well, I don't know if they're up right now, so maybe they won't ever watch this. But don't you think that's a good idea?
I like it.
I love it.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do it, and we'll see if we're all here tomorrow or not. Yeah.
Yeah, I love that.
Amber can bring Tina in to play with our new pet
KX therapy dog.
KX therapy dog.
Well, I think I sent you, Alicia, a video one time of work therapy or something like that, where you open your file cabinet and it's a little puppy sleeping.
Exactly.
And that's all you just need. Just look inside. Oh, I'm happy, and just shut it. That's all you need. And then let it out and play. It just wants to sleep anyway. So
yes,
it's a perfect idea.
Let's do it. Yeah, I think we're really working on something here.
Yeah. What could go wrong?
What could go wrong? I think that's the famous last words.
Yeah.